Today, we're going to walk through how to set up the Plaud MCP in just a few steps. This will automatically install the MCP for the supported applications listed here. To get started, make sure you have node.js downloaded. You can click the link in the docs. From there, copy the script for the installer. Open up your terminal and paste the script in. Here, there's a list of all the supported applications, and you can simply say yes for all the ones that you use. Next, you'll be taken to log in and authenticate the workspace. Once it's done, close the tab and open up your AI assistant. We'll use Claude in this demo. From there, simply start prompting away. You can start asking Claude to summarize your last meetings and put together some to-dos and next steps. You can see it's accessing the data in Plaud and already returning some summaries and next steps. That's it. It's really that simple. And now you can complete the rest of your workflow in your AI assistant, whether it's Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, or others. The possibilities are endless, and we're excited to see what you'll build with the Plaud MCP.